Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 8 to 14, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see. Aquarius, anong ganap sa inyo ngayong week na to, July 8 to 14. Overall energy is the Knave of Wands. Okay, so you are very creative. Maaring risk taker ka ngayon, no? Aquarius, you are going to try new things na kung saan you are passionate about. So some of you, you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maaring marami kang travel opportunities ngayong week na to, or may aasikasuhin ka ng mabilisan. So let's see your challenge. You have the moon. Ooh, as a challenge, you may feel emotional during this time, no? Ngayong week na to. I think Pluto is still in retrograde in Aquarius, no? So, but maaring merong mga revelation, things that hindi mo alam or you're not aware of na marireveal sa'yo na maaring you might feel sensitive about it, no? Na maapektuhan ka. So, clarify natin yan later. And then your opportunity is the Four of Swords. So, this is healing. This is taking a break. So, maaring may opportunity nga ngayon na makapagbakasyon, umiwas muna sa gulo, umiwas muna sa stress, at mag-focus muna sa iyong sarili to take care of yourself. So, let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? You have the Five of Wands. Okay, as a blessing, maaring meron kang maayos na na conflict with someone. Pwedeng nagkaroon ng argument, misunderstanding. Kaya yung pag-iwas mo na yan, no, yung pananahimik mo or yung pag-heal mo, that will help you na maayos yung naging issue mo with someone, no? Pwedeng, iba sa inyo, pwedeng romantic partner ito. So let us clarify, what is the Knave of Wands? The Emperor. Uy, okay. So you are really focused on your goals, no? Hindi ka nagpapadistract ngayon. Importante sa'yo na merong maging resulta yung mga nasimulan mo, yung mga ineffortan mo. And this is also planning. So, kung ano man yung mga goals mo na gusto mong ma-achieve, ikaw ay talagang pinagpaplanuhan mo ng maigi, no? Kumbaga, you are doing practical steps para maisakatuparan mo yung iyong mga goals, mga plano mo. What is the moon? You have the Eight of Wands. So, ayan na naman yung kung naririnig niyo yung ibon, hindi ko alam kung anong ibon yan eh, no? Para siyang maliit, ewan ko. Basta meron kasi rito sa tapat ng bintana na malaking puno. Tapos, maraming ibon. Kapag nagre-read ako, madalas sila mag-ingay. So anyway, yung challenge mo rito, maybe messages, no? Kasi Eight of Wands are like messages coming through. Maaring meron kang matutuklasan, malalaman, or information na will make you feel emotional about it, no? Pwedeng revelation from a person. Let's see, what is the Four of Swords? The Ten of Coins. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, you are taking a break from work. Kumbaga, magre-relax muna kayo. And itong pagre-relax na to ay hindi lang basta pagsistay sa bahay at matutunganga ka, no? This is grandiose. Wow. May pagka, shala. May pagka grandioso, no, na bakasyon. So, yung iba sa inyo, willing kayo na gumastos para sa magandang bakasyon na yan, para sa sasaya ng ng kalooban ninyo. Oo, kasi 'di ba, kapag maganda yung vacation, willing ka to spend some money, worth it naman talaga. Tapos after nun, you will feel good, you will feel better. So what is the Five of Wands? Ace of Swords. Okay, someone might be reaching out sa'yo na Pwedeng ito yung nakaaway mo or nakaalitan mo or someone na nakasamaan mo ng loob. Someone might be reaching out to you. And I think you will find also a solution sa challenges na kakaharapin mo. So, tingnan natin kung anong area of life tong medyo challenging sa inyo. Uy, 11th house. Sa kaibigan, no? So, pwedeng sa kaibigan, group of people, or pwedeng related to sa social media. Kung ikaw ay open na open sa social media, maaring may mga matatanggap kang bashers or mga ang tawag doon, matatanggap ang bashers, bashing, ganyan. Or parang mga nega comments na hindi mo magugustuhan. Of course, once na nilabas mo kasi yung sarili mo sa social media, hindi na maiiwasan yun eh. Kumbaga, ano na lang yan, magkakatalo na lang yan sa magiging reaction mo. Kung papansinin mo, kung magpapastress ka. Sabi nga nila kung ano raw yung opinion ng ibang tao, hindi na natin yun. It's none of our business. Kasi opinion nila yun eh. 'Di ba? Okay, so let us see what else do we have. Ano ulit? Aquarius. Let's see. What else? Ano pa? Harmony, ayan. So, you have Sun in Libra in the 7th house. Yes, kung nagkaroon ng challenges sa relationship, partnership, or someone who is close to you, maayos nyo yan within this week. Okay? You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. 9th house is about travel opportunities, learning opportunities. So, for some of you, marami kayong mga pagkakataon na mapag-aralan, yung mga bagay na interest ninyo, no? Kung gusto niyo mag-training or mag-research, you may be doing that. And some of you, enjoy niyo talaga yung pagta-travel. Kung isa yan sa mga plans ninyo. Wow, you have Saturn in Capricorn in the 10th house, which is about the riches. So, I think, no, kasi ang 10th house is your career, your reputation. With Saturn here in Capricorn, kumbaga, ano man yung efforts na ibibigay mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, ito ay ibabalik sa'yo. So, syempre, kung nag-e-effort ka, pinagtatrabahuhan mo talaga, definitely, you will see great results. Okay? Makakita ka ng resulta na gusto mo. Yung iba kasi pwedeng akala nyo parang walang nagbabago sa career, walang progress, pero actually meron. Hindi nyo lang napapansin. Tapos, ayan, ngayon marirealize nyo na malayo na pala yung narating ninyo. Diba? So, let's see what else. Aquarius, you have fish. Okay. Ang fish, this is a good energy, no? Kasi this is about success. Success, good fortune. This is also nurturing energy. So, maaring kung meron ka mga plans ngayon, let's say, plano ka na mag-start ng business or isang project, so you will see success in that venture, no? In that, kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo. You also have the key. Ayan, meron kang bagong accomplishment. Kumbaga parang, ang tawag doon, goal unlocked. May ma-unlock ka na goal sa buhay mo na, okay, halimbawa, goal mo na makapag-travel sa isang place that you've never been before. So, ma-unlock mo yan ngayong week na to. Or meron kang certain achievement na matagal mo nang gustong makuha. Ma-unlock mo yan. So, you also have lilies. Okay, ang lilies is about ambition. Oo, so for some of you, ang isa sa ma-achieve nyo ngayong week na to is may kinalaman sa mga ambisyon ninyo. Yung mga gusto nyong maabot sa buhay. Kaya lang siguro meron ditong riches, no, pagdating sa career mo kasi you're getting there, okay? Nakukuha mo na yung blessings na gusto mo. And then you have the sun. Wow! So this is a bright outlook in life. I think mas positibo yung pananaw mo. The more na positibo yung pananaw mo, the more na marami kang maa-achieve, no? Especially this week. Kaya siguro umiiwas kayo ngayon sa stress para focus lang kayo on the positive side of life. Harmony returns even after wrenching loss. Diba? Yung iba sa inyo maaring nagkaroon ng issue, challenges, struggles with people na mahal nyo, no? Or anything na parang pakiramdam mo may nawala sa'yo, may kinuha sa'yo. But, babalik rin yung harmony na yan. Ayan, no? Andito na yung harmony. Harmony, ayan. O, 'di ba? So, maibabalik ang kaayusan ng iyong situation. Lalo na't nagiging very optimistic ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!